from $56,715 US. When Chevrolet brought back the Blazer in 2019 as a two-row midsize crossover, fans of the original who expected a rugged SUV were disappointed. Now with the Blazer badge, there's even more surprises to come. Chevrolet will introduce its iconic SUV to the world of electric vehicles at the 2024 Autodome. The non-gasoline version is called the Blazer EV. If you're not sold on electrifying the Blazer, opt for the SS version, which produces 557 horsepower and can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. The SS appears to be designed specifically for the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT and Tesla Model Y performance, but 3 other cheaper, less powerful models are also available. The Blazer EV uses General Motors Ultium battery technology, and the top model is available in RS trim, giving Chevrolet approximately 320 miles of range on a single charge. What's new for 2024? The Blazer EV is a new model in the Blazer family with distinctive exterior and interior design. This is not a gas fan with an electric drive system. Offered in 4 trim levels, the mid-range 2LT and RS models will debut in summer 2023. The top-of-the-line SS version is coming soon and is expected to go on sale in spring 2024. Initially, an entry-level He1LT was planned, but Chevrolet decided to discontinue the economy version before launching the Blazer EV. Go to RS to unlock Blazer's maximum range. This sporty model comes standard with stunning 21-inch wheels, a power liftgate, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated flat-bottom steering wheel, and an illuminated bowtie Chevrolet logo. It comes in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, and surprisingly, the AWD model costs slightly less. Electric car engines, power and performance. Chevrolet has not yet released power figures for the 2LT and RS models, but the top-of-the-line SS model will only come with an electric powertrain rated at 557 horsepower and standard all-wheel drive. Chevrolet says this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.0 seconds. 2LT and RS models are available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Interestingly, RS models come standard with either front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. We will update this story with more details as more information about the Blazer EV's available powertrains becomes available. Electric car engines, power and performance. Chevrolet has not yet released power numbers for the 2LT and RS models, but the top SS trim offers an electric-only powertrain rated at 557 horsepower with standard all-wheel drive. Chevrolet says this model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.0 seconds. 2LT and RS models are available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Interestingly, RS models come standard with either front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is optional. We will update this story with more details as more information about the Blazer EV's available powertrains becomes available. Autonomy, charging and battery life. Chevrolet hasn't released much information about the battery sizes available in the Blazer EV, but we do know that the RS model has an EPA estimated range of 320 miles. The entry-level 1LT model offers approximately 247 miles of range on a single charge, while the 2LT and SS models offer 293 miles and 290 miles, respectively. The Blazer EV can be charged using a DC fast charger, and Chevrolet says it can charge up to 190 kilowatts and travel about 125 miles in just 10 minutes. Fuel consumption and real MPG. Fuel economy figures for the Blazer EV have not yet been released and will not be available until his SUV launches in summer 2023. Once we have a chance to test the Blazer EV in person, we will update this article with our test results. Fuel-efficient 110 miles per hour highway range. More information about the Blazer EV's fuel economy can be found on the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, cargo capacity. The Blazer EV features a sporty interior design that perfectly matches the two-row SUV's aggressive exterior. Round air vents frame the dashboard, and Chevrolet is opting for a two-tone black and red color scheme for the RS and SS trims, but a more drab look is expected to be available for those who don't like flash. There's plenty of legroom in both rows, but when I sat in his pre-production SS model, I noticed a lack of headroom. When I have a chance, I will test the Blazer EV payload and update this article with my results. Infotainment systems and connectivity. All models feature a large 17.7-inch infotainment screen that is angled slightly toward the driver and provides physical controls for the climate system and volume rockers on the left and bottom sides. An optional 11-inch screen displays driver performance and other driving information. Chevrolet hasn't said anything about the Blazer EV's infotainment system, but we're guessing it's a version based on GM's latest Android Auto. Expect plenty of standard connectivity features.